Hello viewers. Very warm welcome to Shanghai Elue Machining, official YouTube channel. In this video, we'll talk about injection molding in the household industry. Okay, let's kick off our video by asking you guys a simple question. The items at your home, what do you think, from where you guys get them? I'm not asking about the name of store or manufacturer. I mean, how these products are manufactured. Well, we have numerous household product fabrication techniques, and injection molding is one of these. I hope many of the items at your home would have been made with injection molding. Okay, we'll discuss some injection molded items may easily be available at your home too. We'll specifically talk about why these items were made using injection molding process. Kitchen items. Injection molding produces a range of versatile kitchenware, like blenders, bread makers, bowl, deep fryers, plates, etc. These kitchen products can be cleaned and microwaved easily. Moreover, food served in these products has no issues related to food hygiene. Computers components. Injection molding hardly produces any component inside computer circuitry. But other than these components, manufacturers harness it in making every other part of different computing devices, such as laptop shells, CPU housings, mouse, keyboard, etc. We use these in our daily life, and these are very durable piece of equipment because of the material offered by the molding process. Children toys. Children toys are also manufactured with injection molding. It produces non-toxic and easy to wash products. Simple toys can be produced in bulk quantities, lowering the overall price per toy. It integrates different materials to produce complex toys, designs and color schemes. Extensive material availability has made injection molding prevalent in this sector. Electronic housings. Injection molding can produce complex shapes electronic housings with high quality and durability. Just imagine the number of electrical sockets fitted in an average home or business premises, and meeting this huge supply demand. To meet these requirements, injection molding is the ideal choice. Plastic furniture. Modern furniture is also being produced with injection molding, particularly plastic chairs. Complex shaped plastic furniture with tight tolerances can also be produced with this process. Injection molding offers users the ability of customized assembled, full-sized furniture with excellent color combinations. Why household manufacturers prefer injection molding over other process? Hope you guys are still with us. Okay then, let's introduce you with the benefits injection molding offering to household industry. Number 1 on our list is the ability of injection molding to make rapid mass-produced items at cost-efficient rates. Next we have, this process is capable of producing highly precise household products with intricate geometries and tight tolerance requirements. Further we have, injection molding can produce durable hundreds of thousands of repeatable products with no need for maintenance or replacement. In the end, we have, injection molding's facility that makes manufacturers worthwhile is the great material range that complete their arsenal to comfortably produce durable, high quality, and precise mass-produced household products. Thank you guys for watching the video. If you need injection molding services for your business, you can contact us right now. Our state-of-the-art workshop and seasoned staff are always at your disposal to guide you with the best possible solution to solve your business needs.